Hi, welcome back. My friend was tasked to repair these earrings for her mother-in-law, and well, I have to give her A for effort. So I'm going to try to show you how to repair and change this using the Orion Micro Welder. So these are the earrings. These used to be clip-ons, and that was taken off. She found that clip-ons hurt her. But the problem is, with this wire wrapping, like this, it doesn't hang properly. It hangs like this. And I'm going to put the top here with the hook. So that it is not, because it's bottom heavy, or the large side heavy, and it rolls under, it's going to be awkward. So what I'm going to do is try to weld a jump ring like such to this. And this is sterling silver and this is base metal. You see the plating is going, but it has sentimental value. So what we're going to do is try to salvage it like this. And then I will add a hook to it. So if you do not have a third arm to hold this flat, whatever it is that you're going to weld, it's okay. What you can do is just have something supporting it so that it's flat as you manipulate what is on top. So what I'm going to do first is, since this is an open ring, I'm going to weld this closed. So I did that at 7.5 watts power. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to weld it onto the earring. I think I'm going to increase the power to 15 watts. I'm going to keep it from moving. And basically what I'm doing is I'm touching the jump ring onto the earring, the pad in the back. There we go. And yes, there is a bit of, it needs to be adjusted. My hands moved. And I might need to redo this one just if it's crooked. And then I'm going to use my eraser to clean off the fire scale. This is the original, how she had it hanging. And then this is my fix. I hope you found that to be useful. I'm a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings, and I'm going to leave some information below as well as more information about the Orion Micro Welder.